Open source Redis on steroids. Scalable, high performance, and easy. Find out more on SDR News. SDR News coverage of AWS reInvent made possible by Dome 9. Total control and visibility over your cloud infrastructure, network, and host security. Garantia, the in-memory NoSQL company, offering enterprise-class Redis for developers. Encapsula, website security, always-on protection from bots and DDoS and real-time stats on visitors and threats. Skillbase, leveraging MySQL and scaling out data at the speed of your business. And eMind, architecting, building, and operating enterprise-grade clouds in billion-dollar HIPAA, PCI DSS, and SOX environments. More coverage of AWS reInvent online or on the SDR News Roku channel.
So here we are from the AWS reInvent SDR News. My name is Ofir Nachmani from I'm On Demand. Today with us is Yiftach from Garantia Data.
Hi, Ofir.
Yiftach is CTO of the company. Yiftach, what is the challenge that Amazon users today, Amazon Cloud users today need to overcome and that you are solving today?
So actually the main challenges of Redis is scalability and high availability, and also to maintain top performance with Redis, which is an in-memory database, and performance is very, very important. So these are the challenges that we solve in our service, Redis Cloud. As you can see, we have over 1,000 paying customers, we have over 15,000 active database, and I think we are the largest install base of Redis in the world at the moment.
Sounds pretty interesting. And how exactly you solve this challenge? What is the solution that you provide?
Okay, so we actually took the open source Redis, we didn't change it, we just improved it and wrapped it with our own dynamic clustering technologies that allow infinitely scalable Redis, highly available Redis, stable and top performance, and also zero management. The users don't see clusters, they don't see nodes, they just set how much memory they need, and from that moment on, everything is very transparent and easy for them.
So it's basically managed services of Redis, high available, high scalable.
Yeah.
Interesting. And how they can reach you, or how they can get more information about the solution and grab a hold to talk with you?
So first of all, they can come to the booth and meet few of our customers, meet some of the experts of Redis worldwide, and if they are not in this show, they can just browse for Redis Cloud and find us. This is it.
So, Yiftach, what will be a typical, use case or the user that, Amazon user that needs your solution? What is the footprint and what is, the description of a user?
So we provide various plans that actually fit to almost everyone. We have a free tier of 25 megabytes that you can use forever. Then between 25 megabyte to 5 gigabyte, you can select between various plans. And above 5 gigabyte, we use a pay-as-you-go model in which you pay only for the actual gigabytes that you use. So for instance, we have many users who use the free tiers. Many users who use only 100 meg, but we also have users who use a few hundred of gigabytes of Redis and runs something above 100,000 requests per second, per database, in production. So this is amazing. So we are very flexible. We cover all the range of users.
What type of verticals, if it's social communities or, e-commerce?
So Redis fits to many verticals. But of course, most of our users come from new generation startups. But we do have many enterprises and also Fortune 100 companies. Redis as a database has many use cases which are dedicated for Redis, which are fit to the data structure of Redis. For instance, it is very easy to do a Twitter clone with Redis. Real-time analytics, leaderboards. We have many games companies. One of them is here. Page ranking. these are the things that made Redis very, very popular, these use cases. And all these use cases were created actually by the community of Redis, which we are proud to be a major contributor to.
And one last question, how do you see the future of Redis, let's say 3 or 5 years from now?
So, great question. According to a recent survey by a 4051 group, Redis is only second to MongoDB in terms of NoSQL deployments. And the 451 group estimates that Redis will be 15% of the NoSQL market in about 3 years. So this is very encouraging. It's much more popular than Cassandra, React, Couchbase. Again, only second to MongoDB.
That's pretty impressive, in the world of big data. Okay, so thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Ofir.